I had a little situation here and I wanted to use this opportunity to show you a product that I use, that I keep on hand in my purse, and also that you can just use to apply press-on nails anytime you need to. If you don't like using nail glue, it's messy, it's stinky, it's sticky. These are also sticky, but in a much more controlled way. So these are nail glue adhesive sticker tabs. They're double-sided and they're used to put press-on nails on, or in my case, do a quick fix because one of my acrylic gels popped off. When I applied it, I didn't do so in a way that I didn't prep my nail properly. So I love having these in my purse and for on the go. When something like this happens, I can just fix it up right there and be on my way. And it's not just a quick fix, it's actually like a lasting fix. These will last you a long time. I really like this brand because the stick-on is nice and jelly. It adheres really well and it gives some good cushion so it can spread out. So let's see, sizing my nail, that's one of my bigger nails, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. There's a little tab for you to tear it off of the sheet, just like that, and get a look up close. I press it on like that. I would normally do a nail file buff of my nail to sort of prep it for better adhesion, but this will also just totally work great. So, okay, now I take the tab and I'm gonna pull it off and the sticker stays on my nail. It is as easy as this. So I'm gonna press and hold it for a few seconds. I'm gonna let the heat from my hands let that adhesive sticker squish down and spread out across my entire nail and get really good adhesion across the nail, and boom, we are back in action. That is on there really good, and it doesn't look like it fell off. You know, I can go on my day. This is tough as nails, right? I love this product. You can use these to put on your entire set of nails, or you can just use it as a spot treatment like I do. Hope this helps.